As the mileage, years, and use on your truck increases, important electrical components and sensors can begin to fail and cause check engine lights, rough running conditions, and a whole list of other problems. The XDP Engine Coolant Temperature sensor, also known as an ECT sensor, is part of the XDP sensor lineup and is a direct fit replacement that restores proper function to your engine. In the box, you'll find the engine coolant temperature sensor, which comes ready to install right in the factory location. These sensors are built from quality materials and match the factory harness connections. Each sensor is designed to be direct OE-style replacement, providing accurate readings and signals to the electrical system in your truck. If your temperature readings are all over the place because the stock sensor is on its way out, don't risk overheating. Swap in the XDP Engine Coolant Temperature sensor.